we can only win the climate battle if we are able to produce a positive narrative for our citizens, and that goes for the Danes as it goes for everybody around the world. That means that we must convince them that going green, we go into a better future with better product, better services, better living condition compared to if we do nothing. And then you need to, of course, as someone working with politics, being willing to use the toolbox you have in front of you. So in Denmark, we set a 70% reduction target towards 90. When it was done, people said it could not be met. This year, our independent climate councils acknowledged that we are on track. And why is that? That is due to another thing, and that is partnership. Because we approached this with our private sector. We divided them into 10 separate sectors, so energy-intensive industries, small and medium-sized firms, the financial sector, the digital sector, and so on. And we invited them in and asked them, okay, we are going to meet the target. How do you think we should do it? And this partnership with the private sector and the ideas that they come up with has been a very good inspiration, but also a way of sharing the responsibilities broadly among us. So we are on track, and that is due to, of course, the innovation, the willingness to invest by the private sector, but also due to a willingness to use the toolbox we have as a politician. So we have introduced a carbon tax on our industry. We are the first country in the world that has decided to put a carbon tax on the agricultural sector, the non-energy related emissions in the agriculture sector. That means an emission of part of what is coming out of a cow. And we have done it together with the agricultural sector. And why have we succeeded in that? Well, it's because that we also are willing to invest some public money before the tax is introduced, so they help them to transform their companies. And there is nothing like a tax that can spur innovation. I mean, who are paying their taxes with great pressure, with a lot of satisfaction? Few people do. Yeah. So therefore, what we see is now a tremendous innovation in different kind of technologies